A simple vegetable side dish, buttered vegetables with salt and pepper. Let's add more fun by cooking it on the boat, and more challenge on rough waters. Join me for this expedition.
Staat erop.
Cooking expedition. You're watching Channel 1 and this will be a short cooking episode. Let's join Romulo and his friends on the boat. So, we are on the boat and we are preparing, we're going on a picnic and I'm cooking today, or preparing a very simple side dish for our chicken adobo. How can I concentrate, let alone cook in this condition? Again, Romulo. Oh, we are on a boat and we're going on a picnic, and yet I brought my harvest. You're watching Channel 1. Gagawa tayo ng... It's really difficult, even the cameraman has difficulty focusing. We are preparing, I'm going to prepare a simple side dish for our chicken adobo. It's just buttered vegetables. So, I'm going to prepare our beans. I'll show you the rest of the ingredients later because it's wavy. This is runner beans and my bichuelas, also fresh from the garden, back to nature. I think it's better to prepare this with knife, but we don't have a knife. Usually we would be using knife for this recipe. It's good. Finally, wala na yung mga magugulo. Now I found my knife. It's not a perfect knife, but we are on a picnic, so we don't have the correct and the right utensils. Open. Yeah. Of the boat. Okay. I didn't get this from the garden. It's from the grocery. It's difficult to grow carrots, so it's still wiser to buy them from the supermarket.
Why is it difficult to grow?
They're very sensitive to the kind of soil. For beginners, this is a challenge.
Misschien moet je dieper spitten.
Yeah, the grounds in Holland are perfect for this. This will Fred, our barman, and Jubinar there. This is I just found out this is the best way to peel carrots. The back edge of the knife, or the dull side. And then I stop, close up. Thank you well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good. I have to cook this now because if I have to wait until we arrive on the island, we turn dark. Look, we have turned dark. Misschien moet je close-up ook doen.
Yeah, it's good.
Begin small to worden, hè?
Yeah. I call this maritime cooking. I brought my cusinilla. And notice also my banig. Yeah, it's good. It's difficult to be cooking at the same time driving, so let's leave the stove for now. And Jubinar takes over by adding salt and pepper. And we have a situation. It's been a tradition. We exhaust gas when we cook. So let's change the gas. The procedures in 2 sentences: just boil the vegetables, drain water, and then add butter, salt and pepper. Done.
Romulo, I see that you are cooking on a gas stove.
Yeah?
But is it too dangerous to bring so much gas with us? You have a whole gallon of gas Is that not too dangerous to bring on the boat? It can explode.
Like a barrel, like a
This is
barrel.
not gas, this is H2O, this is water.
Oh, it's water. Okay, broeren.
I'm at the steering wheel and the Belgians have taken over the kitchen.
Stand zit ik al van de groente.
This groot al hier.
Wat ben je aan
Ik
het
ben
koken?
blij dat de stand is van de groente.
Wilfried, wat ben je aan het
It's
koken?
good. That can out, that can out.
Oh, hello everybody. I am the assistant of Romolo. I am the assistant cook, and because Romolo is busy with the other task of being the captain of this boat, I am stirring the vegetables.
We arrive on the island and I can finish this side dish. We arrive on the island and I have to continue boiling this. It's not yet cooked. And after that, I'll be draining this. I'll be draining its water and add butter, salt, and pepper. And that's it. How easy can that be? For the meantime, enjoy this scenery.
Je bord uit de weg.
Never seen before in a cooking channel, using a plate as a lid and draining water in nature. Just 3 spices or ingredients: butter, salt, and pepper. It can't be easier than that. It's good. In the studio, Wilfred is Wilfred is asking me why no remarks, no explanation. I can always do that in the Channel Fun studio. Just melt the butter and mix it. Colorful and shiny thanks to the butter. Let's serve it now. Rice, of course, we're Pinoys after all. Adobo there, and our side dish. And our background, our boat. Paradise, my country's adobo. In nature. What a treat. I hope you're enjoying this as well. On behalf of our friends here, Jobinard, Ludo, and Wilfred, I'd like to thank you for joining us today, and see you again on our next videos. Until next time, have a good day. Bye bye.
Sowieso mislukt.
Ik wil hier slapen, zwemmen een beetje.
Oh, pas op, Rom. We zitten hier nog